If you want to customize the lock screen clock on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case we just need to open the settings. Next we're gonna scroll down and then look for the wallpaper. And then over here we can tap on the current lock screen. Now, over here we have our clock. I'm gonna start with the customization of the size. Over here in the bottom right corner of the time, we can find this thicker line. We can grab by it and we can extend it all the way to the bottom if you want to, or somewhere in the middle. So we can just make it much taller if you want to. Besides that, if you don't have this option available, then this might be due to the font. So you might need to tap on the clock and choose the first font over here. You can of course choose a different font if you want to. You can make it thicker or thinner. If you want to, we can scroll all the way over here in order to find some different options. We can choose a color of your choice that should be applied. We can you can increase the color over here or make it more white if you want to. You can also switch to solid instead of using the glass effect, and so on. And also on the right side, maximum on the right side, we can find the color picker that looks like this. And once you are done, oh, by the way, you can also tap over here in the top left corner of this menu in order to choose a different writing. So once you are done, we can just close it, press done in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.